How to change Play Store password on Android. Hello everyone, this is Max. Welcome back to another tutorial video. So let's start without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. First of all, open a Play Store. Now tap on your profile at the top right corner. Now simply, now simply tap on Manage your Google account. Now wait for the screen to load. Now simply tap on Scroll. Now simply scroll to the right and tap on Security. Again scroll down. Now tap on Password. Now wait for the screen to load again. Now enter your password. Now once you're done, simply tap on Next. Now wait for some time. Now create a new password. Now once you're done, simply confirm the new password and tap on Change Password to create a new password. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.